Hello and welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we are at Midland Raceway. It's practice night on Wednesday. So just having a mess around on the track, getting some practice laps in. But today I've mounted the GoPro to the top of the body shell in hope to get some onboard footage. Let's see what this thing can do, guys. See you on the track. Right then, peeps, so here we are on track side. So I shut the car on, see if we can get some footage. Let's go. Right peeps, it was inevitable that it was going to happen. I've actually broke the mount on the GoPro. Never mind though, I should have hopefully got some footage to link into here, so I'll put it in. Enjoy. Somebody just ran onto me and unfortunately snapped my rear arm. Luckily I got a spare, so we're running. Let's go back to the track and do some more laps, peeps. Yeah, dirty hands. Right then guys, so there you have it. Had loads of fun at Midland Raceway. Track was awesome. Loads of tough corners, tough jumps. It's been fun. Broken arm, fixed an arm. See you on the next one. Please rate, comment and subscribe for more. See ya!